guys doing today? Free Will Living here. Told you guys I'd give you another sound test to show you how these slip-ons and decat works on here, how it sounds. So I had to get it out here, get it all washed up and everything. I'll go ahead and explain a few things that I've done to it here. So what I've done is I added the crash bar on the front, and I got some cheap lowers for it. Get them off of Amazon. Only paid like $105 for both of them. Got a 3-year warranty with them too. Better than $700 from Harley Davidson. And there's the light I just replaced. I should have got the chrome, but the black looks pretty good on there, I think. And of course, a few stickers I've put on here. Alright, so my exhaust, as you can tell here, I've got the Vance Hines Slasher slip-ons. I did a decat on it at the beginning of this year. I do have the Screaming Eagle high flow intake on it here, and high flow breather. And I am running the Fuel Pack 3 from Vance Hines as well. It runs pretty good. I do see some of the low end torque is not there, and that was expected. They did say that that would happen. I put LED lights on. When I was washing it a while ago, I did notice that I do have one that fell down right there. I'm going to put some pictures on here where I've taken pictures at night with the LEDs on it so you can see it. I replaced the little blinkers on here with LEDs. They're pretty nice. What I'll do here, let me let the neighbor get in her house real quick, and I'll do a sound test on it for you. And I about forgot, one other thing that I did add on here too was the Memphis Shade hand guards here. I got clear, and I also got the ones that have the cutout in it in case you want to move your blinkers from down here and put them up here. I probably won't ever do that, but I got the option there just in case I wanted to. And I do ride all year round, so they do come in handy in the winter because I don't really want to add the main fairing on there. I don't want to put a big fairing on it. Now this windscreen is actually about 2 inches too tall for me. I have to sit up really straight to see over it properly at night. Okay, I did move my microphone over to where my phone is. That way I can put the phone down behind the bike. You can hear the Alright, so that was the sound test on it there. I'm going to let it run for a minute because the engine is still a bit wet. I think that looks really good at night too. Like I said, I probably should have went with the chrome. It would have matched the front of the bike better. But I actually really like the look of the black light. The neighbors probably don't really appreciate me doing it like that. I try to be respectful and not rev it up and be too loud on it when I'm coming home at night or, you know, just any time. It's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon right now, so everything should be good. We all get along around here anyway. Well, all right, if you got any questions, just drop it down in the comments below. I'll try to answer what I can. Like the video, be sure to subscribe. I'm trying to upload more videos more often now. Until next time, be safe.